All right, you're with EatSleepBassRepeat, and your name is, sir?
Daishon.
And what kind of vehicle are we sitting in?
2000 Chevy Blazer.
2000 Chevy Blazer, and I noticed that we have a wall going on here. What's going on behind us?
6 DC XL Elite 12s.
And what is powering them?
2 Taramp BASS AK.
Okay, and has this thing ever been metered?
Yes.
What is your estimation on SPL?
The highest that I've done in this car is 157.6.
157.6 out of 612s.
Yeah.
That's quite considerable.
Say it again?
I said that's quite considerable.
Yeah.
All right.
On the wall.
And okay, I'm not sure what we're gonna do for a track here, but I'm a little concerned that I'm gonna get a wallop. So let's see what happens. Sitting right in front of the port here.
It's DJ Rusticles. Here is our house and yours. They call
Sun. All right, you got any hip hop in there?
Yeah.
Let's hit some hip hop. I'm starting to talk funny. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pop his seat up so you guys can watch the woofers flex here.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood, but then I cut myself off from the